Do you think mankind can describe everything? Not just physics or the humanistic constraints of the cosmos, but utterly and literally everything. If so, then you are a believer of a theory of everything, an all-encompassing hypothesis that describes scientific realm and human consciousness alike. Dating back to 500 BC, scholars have sought to find such a theory, with Anaxagoras and his theory of intellect, and Newton, who sought to combine Galileo and Kepler's laws through universal gravitation. However, while each stayed within his own realm, they're lacking one simple realization to make the final jump. A theory of everything must combine everything. To do so, we must combine the sciences and humanities, not just one or the other, to describe the universe as it exists today. Spanning astrophysics, environmental science, philosophy, and linguistic interpretation, the universe today can be quantized through a set of 4 premises. Together, these form the fundamentals of a theory of everything. We start with the anthropic principle of astrophysics, stating that the universe exists in the way it does because there are observers to perceive it. In other words, the perception of the observers determines the nature of the cosmos. Strengthening this bound from the universe to the natural environment, we arrive at Gaia theory of environmental science, which actually also asserts a symbiosis, with life adaptable to the environment and the environment paying due respect and making suitable conditions for life's existence. With this interdisciplinary relation, we come to a premise of universal interconnection, in which not only are separate disciplines combined, like sciences and humanities, but individual elements within the same field are intertwined as well. And this brings us to the final premise of a semantic interpretation of a definition, in which perception undergirds how we perceive the universe, and a literal construal of the word is as important as its initial intention. Now, as each premise leads to another, these 4 premises are interminable. However, here's what's interesting. Unlike a mathematical cycle, these elements may repeat in multiple orders, like digits of an irrational number, for instance. Analyzing the pairwise relationships of these premises, distinct correlations appear and show that the universe must be understood in this fashion. Sciences meets humanities, in a non-terminating, non-periodic progression. And this brings us to the final, truly important question. Why does this matter? There's a simple explanation. We are humans, therefore we care. As humans, we thirst for this self-realization. We want to know what we live in, why we do it, and why we are here. With rises in modern physics, even philosophy, scholars are hoping to find a theory that can describe not only the universe, but ourselves as well. And my question is this. If some civilization within this physical and tangible cosmos is searching for this theory, then why not let that civilization be ours?